Welcome to another tutorial that will make your meal times that more creative using the Insta360 X3. This guide will help you achieve those unique angles to capture meal times from a new perspective. So let's dive in.
You'll need a plate, your favourite snacks, and your Insta360 X3. Make sure to record in 5.7K and 30 frames per second. Attach some blue tack or some tape on the bottom of your X3 and then place it in the middle of the plate. Pour your favourite snacks around the X3, press record, and enjoy eating. Now it's time to reframe your clips using the Insta360 app. Simply pinch and zoom out until your snacks cover the clip's border, then add a keyframe. Once you're satisfied, proceed to export and share your creation.
Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to stay up to date with new tutorials that will come out weekly. And share your versions on social media using the hashtag Insta360Eats. Till next time, happy shooting.